tired of juggling countless tasks with nothing to show for it? Man, I've been there. I think we've all been there. Feeling overwhelmed by like everything you consistently do, it's just not working, right? It's exhausting, isn't it? But what if I told you that there's a way to stop all the chaos and start creating something truly meaningful? I've been in that same exhausting cycle, I promise you. But I found a way out, and I am so excited to share it with you. Ready to break free from the stress and finally see some results? Let me introduce you to the to be completely honest approach to legacy builders. Imagine automating your business and reclaiming your most precious asset, your time. Yes, you earn 100% profit without burning out, right? It's not just a dream, it's a reality. I'm living it, okay? So here's where it gets real, right? It isn't another cookie cutter program. Oh, we have all this for sale. No, it's strategically a step-by-step system designed for success, right? Think of it as your secret weapon. Follow the blueprint, step-by-step guided tour of how to make some money online. You build something completely incredible, right? From a monetized YouTube channel that brings in cash and streams that work while you rest, while you spend time with your family. Now imagine like $328,000 a year from Legacy Builder, right? And an extra 10K on top of that from like TikTok or YouTube. And the same being done on Facebook. These aren't just numbers. They represent the freedom you deserve. And it gives you the power to do what you want to do, to pay off all of those bills, to live without living paycheck to paycheck, right? So let me explain. So this is my freedom machine, and you've probably seen me already just pointing to stuff, right? Today we're not going to point. Today we're going to draw it out and show you. Okay, so let's say I have 20 people, right? Looking at my, whoa, the glare, that's crazy. Looking at my website. Let's say that 1 in 20 puts their email in, right? 1 in 20. That's going to equal a $900 day. That's where everybody that you see on all the social medias are telling you, you can make $900 a day because this is what they're using. All you have to do is go to the website, enter your email address, have a look around. If you don't like it, unsubscribe. I'm looking for my perfect customer. Are you my perfect customer? Because you know what? It's going to be a change of a life. Are you ready? Grab your coffee. Let's go. See you on the other side.